Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS ADIMATIC. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the ADIDAS ADIMATIC in the yellow, blue, white colorway in the UK size 8. It's European 42 and it's US 8.5. Let's get unboxing. These, for those that don't know, are an ADIDAS skate shoe. You can see it right here. Right there for you. I dig this a lot. It reminds me of the old school DC sneakers and whatever at the ES sneakers from the old skate days. You know, the early 2000s when skate companies were. Well, personally, I thought that everyone was wearing the skate company apparel. You know, like the big T-shirts. I remember DC being iconic. But I don't really recall ADIDAS, you know, being a skate brand. But, you know, they do have their silhouettes. I'm not sure which sneaker from the archives they got inspiration from in regards to the ADIMATIC. But I can see a lot of other nuances from other sneaker companies that are in this sneaker itself. All that said, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see it's quite translucent with the ADIDAS logo right there in the middle. You've got a different traction patterning. It's there to, you know, help you stick to your boards. It's essentially there to be one with the grip tape on the underside of your feet when you're riding a skateboard. You've got a foam midsole unit, but just for your cushioning, and surrounding that is a rubber cup sole essentially. You've got, I do like the patterning. So if you look at the heel here, you can see a zigzag motion that goes all around. Well, it doesn't continue, but it's at the front as well, here at the toe box. And it reminds me of like shark teeth. Looks pretty dope. The upper, so this upper is an all suede upper. It's nice. I prefer a hairy suede personally, but you know, these are just as good. You know, a lot of skate shoes are. The Vans, classic old schools, and skate highs. You got your suede paneling there, and you know, the Nike SB Dunks. So it's all around in this yellow colorway. The three stripes, obviously, it's ADIDAS, and that's in a blue, reminiscent to all the skate sneakers at the time in 2000s. Well, a lot of them as well today. You got a heavily padded tongue, and it's very thick. It's big. You know, it's got that vibe where you're wearing big jeans. You can just pop these tongues out, and it will stick out. Thick laces. Well, it's very. Forgive me, I don't think thick laces were the right way to describe it. It's very wide lacing right here. There also, and the insole, it's a foam insole right there for you. It's all there for your cushioning and support. And what I like about the ankle support around here, it's heavily padded. Obviously, this was designed for skateboarding, and it's there to, you know, reduce the shock absorption around your ankles. The back, we look at the heel. You got the ADIDAS logo stitched on, and you got another Adi logo there in yellow. So that rounds up my review of these classic skate shoes. It's very much remind me of the early 2000s skate fashion, especially DC. I can see a lot of that DNA on this sneaker. I can't, for the life of me, I can't really off the top of my head think of a skate shoe from Adi. Yeah, unfortunately not, but this is a good one. It's very modern in regards to its look and silhouette, But you know, it's showing back to that era of skateboarding where everyone was just wearing skate brands in the early 2000s. So all that said, I can't wait to try these on. So roll out footage of me trying these Adimatics on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you're true to size Adidas fit. I am a UK size 8 when it comes to Adidas footwear, and these are perfect in regards to where my toes are. And I think this is really dope. I'm a big fan of the big laces. Maybe just, maybe I could put it a bit more further up. But no, I really think they're very comfortable. They're giving me that early 2000s vibes. And I had a skateboard for you guys. All that. Let's give you a little 360 for you. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.